Hello friends, so welcome back to your own channel, that is We Are in Techno World. So in this lecture I'm going to tell you about the university network. Like with the help of one router, 5 switches, 23 PCs and 2 laptops, how you could make the network structure within a university campus. So this is only one small kind of network, but you could take the idea from this lecture, and after that you could make a very big network with the help of this lecture. So hope you would be like this lecture. Okay, so let's move on onto the problem statement. Like what would be the problem statement for this? Let us suppose you need to create the network structure where like you are having 5 switches, one router, ethernet cables, then 23 PCs all over you need to take, and after that 2 laptops would be there. So how you could create it? So let's go into the Cisco Packet Tracer. This is actually the Cisco Packet Tracer window. So first of all, you would take the PCs first of all right, because your structure would be looking like this. As you could see, your structure would be looking something like this. Okay, means switch number 1 would be there, then switch 2, switch 3, switch 4, switch 5. After that, you need to connect so many PCs and the laptops. So accordingly, you like according to your choice, according to your university campus, you could create the network structure. But yes, with the help of this lecture, you could take the idea ki how actually you could create it. So I'm just trying so that you could understand. Okay, first of all, the generic pieces you need to take. So everyone have a look. Like what you need to do. You need to click on and devices. After that, you need to click on generic. Then you need to drag and drop these PCs. So first of all, I'm just taking 5 PCs over here. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 PCs I have taken, and for that purpose I would take one switch. And which kind of switch? 2960 switch. Everyone just have a look which type of switch I'm just taking. 2960. So click on it. After that you just drag and drop over here. All right, then again I am in a need of taking 5 PCs more, 5 generic PCs. All right, so 3 PCs I have already taken. This is the fourth one, and after that this is the fifth one. Then I'm just taking one switch, that is again 2960 here in the second location. Then I'm just taking again 5 more PCs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is my third kind of network, a small network where I'm just connecting these 5 PCs with my 2960 switch. After that, what I'm doing, like I'm just taking 5 PCs more. This is not the PC actually. You need to click on end devices first of all. After that, generic. Then you need to drag 5 PCs, 1 PC, 2 PC, 3 PC, 4 PC, and 5 PC. So just like that, you need to create it. All right. After that, what you need to do? Again, you need to take the switches, just like 2960. All right. After that, what I'll do, now I'm just taking the connection of 3 PCs and 2 laptops. Okay, so click on the end devices first. After that, one generic PC, second generic PC, third generic PC, and then 2 laptops I'm just taking. So click on the generic laptops. So one's smart laptop, then the other smart laptop. All right, now again what you do, you just take one switch, that is 2960. All right, after that what I'm doing, I need to connect it with the help of cables. Okay, so what type of cable I would take? Just do click on the connections, then you just take copper straight through wire. Okay, so click on it with the help of fast Ethernet. Then fast Ethernet 0 by 1. So just like that, one by one, you just connect all the PCs like this. Fast Ethernet 0 by 2. Then again, you need to click over here. Then fast Ethernet 0 by 3. Then next cable connection, that is fast Ethernet. The cable cannot be connected like this. Actually, I have taken fast Ethernet 0 by 4. I think the connection is wrong. So what you do, you just remove it. Then again, you just make the connection, right? I need to click on fast Ethernet. After that, fast Ethernet 0 by 4. So just like that, I need to connect it. Then you just click the fifth PC as well, like this. After that, do connect this fast Ethernet 0 by 5 with this one. So just like that, you could connect the different PCs with your switches. All right. So after that, what I'll do, I'll make the connection between this network as well. Fast Ethernet 0 by 1, then fast Ethernet 0 by 2, then fast Ethernet 0 by 3, then fast Ethernet 0 by 4. So just like that, what you do, one by one, you just make the connection. Everyone just open in your laptop, and after that do connect it, so that if you would be facing any kind of problem, we could resolve it, right? So one by one, what you do, you just make the connection. Okay, fast Ethernet 0 by 1. As you could see that uh, soon and later the connection would be in green signal form, right? As you could see over here, right now the connection is in red, but sooner and later, as we would be working in the more PCs, then it would be turned into green. And you people are very well aware about it. All right, so after that, I'm just connecting in with fast Ethernet 0 by 3. Then just connect it with fast Ethernet 0 by 4. Okay, all right. Again, I'm having one more PC which is left. So fast Ethernet 0 by 5. So one by one, as you could see, all the like signals has been turned into green. That means the connection is, or the data transmission is possible over here in this network. Data transmission is also possible in this network as well. Data transmission would be possible in this network as well. Whereas sooner or later, because all the red signals would be turned into green. So that is why I could say so. All right. So now just make the connection with the like with this switch as well. All right, it's a time taking process, but what you do, you just open your laptop and try it with me. Everyone, do open your laptop or the PC, open Cisco Packet Tracer, the student version, and after that, you just do practice with me. And if you are having any confusion to what you could do, you could comment in the below comment box. I'm here to resolve your problem. All right, so everyone do practice of it. As you could see, like it's a time taking process, but still I'm just like sharing my window with you people, so that if you would be suffering any kind of problem, then we could resolve it. So that is why I'm just showing you my screen completely from very first step to last step. So everyone, just do practice with me, like how actually this practical would be done actually. All right, so this is actually one kind of case study where you are just creating one university structure, right? And you are having the different blocks for it. As you could assume that you are having different blocks. Let us suppose this is the first block. You could say the CSIT block. Then this is the lab 1 block. This is lab 3 block. This is you could say CSIT block, and after that this is lab 2 block, right? So just like that you could see these four network has been turned into green, but this is left. Okay, soon it would be like converted into green signal. Till then what you do, you just make one router, and you need to click on router. After that you need to take 2811 router, right? Because in case of 2811 we are having two ports, we could connect two different network with this router, so that is why. Okay, all right. After that, make the connection between all the switches and the router. So for that purpose, I need to take copper straight through wire. Then everyone just look over here. What I'm doing, I'm just clicking or selecting the option that is gigabit Ethernet 0 by 1. This is very important. Gigabit Ethernet 0 by 1. Then here with fast Ethernet 0 by 0. You could write it in your notebook as well. Then again, what you do, let us suppose you just connect the switch number 4, like gigabit Ethernet 0 by 1 with fast Ethernet 0 by 1. Right? So just like that, you could make the structure. And even though you could drag it, like, or you could move this router in this Cisco Packet Tracer window. All right. Okay, so what do we need to do now? Just make the connection between all the switches, right? So that transmission could be done with this whole network. So that is why what do? You just connect all the switches, all right? And to connect all the switches, we need to take now the copper crossover wire. So click on copper crossover. After that, you need to take fast Ethernet 0 by 6 with this one. After that again, we just take the next connection, fast Ethernet 0 by 7 with fast Ethernet 0 by 6, then fast Ethernet 0 by 7 with fast Ethernet 0 by 6. After that, fast Ethernet 0 by 7 with fast Ethernet 0 by 6. So just like that, you need to make the connection. Alright. So this is how you could see, like, now this like green signal has been came over here. Now in the second network as well, the green signal has been automatically turned into green. So like within few seconds it would be also turned into green. Then as you could see, the fourth type of interconnectivity with these two switches is also turned into green, right? So now the network is in green. That means the transmission is possible in all these five switches. I think you have got my point. But now the thing is, like you have connected switch number 0 with router with one router, then switch number 4 with this router. But now the signal is in red in color. So for that purpose, what I need to do, I need to configure my router. Alright. So first of all, what you do, just click on router, then click on CLI. After that, what you do, you just configure your router. So here, first of all, you need to write no, because it is asking continue with configuration dialog. So no. After that, again press enter, and then out of this router, you just write enable. Press enter, then write configure terminal. Then press enter. After that, you need to write interface, like which kind of interface you want to activate. So interface, fast Ethernet without any space, you just write 0 oblique 1. Press enter. Then assign IP address. Write the spelling correctly. IP, then space ADDRESS address, then 192.168.1.1. This is the first interface network, 1.1. Then assign subnet mask, that is 255.255.255.0. Okay, so just like this, you have been assigned the IP addresses as well as the subnet mask. Then write no shutdown over here. Okay. After that, what you need to do, you need to activate the second interface. So first of all, press enter. Then write interface, then fast Ethernet, then 0 oblique 1, 0 oblique 1. Done. Okay, alright, now assign the IP address, this one. But now the network would be 2.1, not 1.1. It would be 2.1. Alright, then 255.255.0. Okay, after that write no shutdown and then press enter, and after that you just write exit over here, press enter. Alright, so just like this, your router has been configured. Close this window. As you could see, it has been turned into green. Okay, but the second interface has not been turned into green. So I need to check it again. Like, what's the problem? So I need to check it again. So in case of the first one, that is configure terminal, then fast internet 0 by 0. Okay, I have configured 0 oblique 1 all the both of the time. Okay, so I need to write over here that is 0 oblique 0, not 0 oblique 1. So that is why it got uh, like confused. Okay, so what you do now, you just activate your first interface. Okay, again you just activate first interface by writing interface, then fast Ethernet, do it with me, fast Ethernet, then 0 oblique 0, because 0 oblique 1 has got activated. But I need to activate my first one, that is 0 oblique 0. After that, I need to write the IP address 192.168.1.1, then subnet mask, that is 255.255.255.0. Then I need to write like no shutdown, no shut down. Okay, then press enter. After that, again enter, and then what would be done? Like, you just check or you just exit from it and do check whether the signal has been turned into green, yes or no. You just check it. Only one side signal has been turned into green, not the complete one. Right? That means some kind of problem would come definitely into the transmission. Okay, now, alright, you could see. Yes, automatically it has got turned into green, right? Because I have corrected the first interface commands, as you could see, right? Mistakenly, actually, I have got activated like 0 oblique 1, right? But after that, like after the configuration of 0 oblique 1 interface, that means from this side, on the right hand side, right? After exiting from this point, I have again written the commands to configure this side as well, right? Interface 1 and interface 2. Okay, as you could see. Okay, alright, now the signal is green, so close this window from router. Now the complete network has been turned into green. Alright, now what would be the next step? So one by one, now you need to assign the IP addresses to all the PCs, right? So this is your first step. Click on PC, then click on desktop, then IP configuration, then provide the IP address. So it would be 192.168.1.1 2. Okay, this is the IP address. Then click on enter. Automatically the subnet mask would come. Then you just come on default gateway option. In case of default gateway, you need to write 192.168.1.1 because this is your default gateway name. Alright, now close it and open the second PC. Then again click on desktop, then IP configuration, do write your IP address, that was 192.168.1.3. Automatically the subnet mask would come. You just write the default gateway, then close it. Then click on the third PC, that is PC number 2. Then click on desktop, IP configuration, IP address, which would be 192.168.1.4. Then the default gateway would be this one. Okay, now close it. Then do open the next PC configuration, desktop, IP configuration. Then just do it. Dot 5. Press enter, then the default gateway, and the default gateway name is this. Okay, now close it. Then open PC number 4. Click on desktop, IP configuration. Alright, and after that, what you do, the IP address would be, let us suppose it's 6. Then the default gateway is this. Okay, alright, close it. So just like that, what you need to do, you need to assign the IP addresses to all the PCs. Alright. Okay, now just do assign the IP address to PC number 5. What do you do? Like we just write 7 over here, then the default gateway, then close it. Then the next PC, that is PC number 6, then desktop, IP configuration, assign the IP address, that is 8, then the default gateway, and then close it. Then the next PC, that is PC number 7, then desktop, IP configuration. After that, you just write 9, then the default gateway, that is 1.1. Okay, alright, it has been assigned. Now PC number 8, IP configuration. You could write 10 over here, then the default gateway, this one. Okay, alright, now close it. Then the next one, desktop, IP configuration, this one, 11, and then the default gateway, like this. Okay, so just like this, you need to assign the IP addresses to all the PCs. Then the next one, IP configuration. So this the starting the three switches would be assigned the interface 1, that means the default gateway, that is 192.168.1.1. So here it's 12. Then again the default gateway name is 1.1, as you could see. So this is network 1, right? Then the next two switches, means the last two switches, would be connected with the next default gateway, where the gate number would be 2.1. But here you could see that the default gateway is 192.168.1.1. Okay, now close it. Then the next PC turn, then desktop, then IP configuration. Now assign the IP address, that is 13. After the default gateway, then close it. Then the next PC, click on desktop, IP configuration, then points 1.4, default gateway would be this. Alright. After that, the turn would be of next one, means next PC, that is PC number 13. The next PC, that is PC number 13. Then IP configuration 14. Okay, it is already in use, so there I need to write 15. Then default gateway 1.1. As you could see, all are connected with gate number 1. desktop IP configuration, then 16. After the default gateway, that is 1.1. Right? So here for three switches, like all the PCs means the 15 PCs which are connected with switch number 1, switch number 2, switch number 3, or the numbering stage actually, like switch number 0, switch number 1, switch number 2 are using the default gateway, that is 192.168.1.1. Now the turn is off. The switch number 3, where the PC number 15 is there. So assign the IP address to this one. So here let us suppose the IP address is 17. But now, as you could see, the IP addresses would be from second network. So here I need to correct it. 192.168.2.2. Right? It would be start from here. Right? Everyone just do check the second network IP address. Alright? This is one main concern. So here you need to write 192.168. But now I would not write 1.1. Now I need to write second gate number, that means the second network number, the default gateway, that is 2.2. Alright? Or you just write 2.1. This is the default gateway address. Now every time I would write this default gateway number for switch 3 and switch 4. As you could see, the IP address is now like write 3 as well. 2.3. Then default gateway address is 2.1. Then next, desktop IP configuration, then 2.5, and the default gateway is this. Then 2.6, then the default gateway, that is 2.1. Then 2.7, and then the press enter, automatically the subnet mask would come, and this is the default gateway. Alright, now PC number 20 would also be assigned with the default gateway, that is, okay, this IP address was already being used. So I need to write 8, not 7. 7 has been already assigned, or like to the previous PC. This is the default gateway, that is 2.1. So everyone just keep it in your mind. This is very important, although it's quite complicated. But if you would try on your system, then definitely it would be done by you people. Like this. Then this one, again desktop IP configuration, do assign 10. Then default gateway 2.1. Then you could see the laptop, desktop, then IP configuration. Then here you could write 1, 2, then press enter. After that, the default gateway, close it. Then the last laptop was left. Click on desktop, IP configuration, then IP address. Here you just write 14, and the default gateway, that is this. Okay, alright, now the PCs, like, now the IP address has been assigned to all the PCs and all the laptops. Now the next work is, or the next step is, assign this PDU. Alright, this is the sample PDU. We just assign this simple PDU to PC number 0, and I'm just assigning another PDU with this laptop, that is laptop number 1. Alright, what I have did, I have assigned one PDU to this PC number 0 and to this laptop. Alright, now what you do, you just perform the simulation. So this is your simulation. Click on this log. Alright, now the packet is ready. As you could see, the packet is ready. Right, as soon as you would click on play, then automatically it will be played. as you could see. Now you could perform the simulation. The simulation would be performed right here. The progress you could see, right? So everyone, just do check whether the packet has been received on the other side or not. If there would be the successful status, that means the packet has been delivered to that last laptop of the another gateway, right? So we would wait till then, as ICMP protocol has got activated, means Internet Control Message Protocol has got activated. As you could see, the transmission is being performed. Okay, yes, the tick mark has been done and the packet is successful. Okay, all right, that means the objective has been completed. Okay, now what I'm doing, I'm just assigning one more PTU to this PC, that means PC number 1, and with this PC, that is PC number 18. And now, after that, I'm just performing or trying the simulation. Alright, I'm just trying to perform the simulation of it. Clicking on play button. So everyone do check whether the transmission between PC1 and PC18 is possible or not. Right? So everyone, just check the transmission over here. Right now it is failed, but yes, the ICMP is working now. Right? So still it is in progress. So still it is in progress, no problem. Everyone, just do check. ICMP is still working, as you could see. The status has got changed automatically, and now the signal or the message is in green form, right? As you could see the status, the first one was successful already. PC0 has been sent the packet to laptop number 1 in a successful manner. But now I'm just performing like the transmission between PC1 to PC18. So it is still in progress, as you could see the progress. Okay, alright. PC number 18, I think it has been delivered. Okay, it is again going on the router. After that, to switch number 0. This is actually the one by one transmission between all the data packets or between all the connected devices. Okay, as you could see, the message is successful now, right? So just like that, we need to do it. I think this is clear to everyone. So thank you everyone.